Hello everyone, I'm Malmita Dar. I'm a qualified chartered accountant. I'm very much interested in teaching. So this is my channel where I'll be discussing about the business laws that is there in CA Foundation syllabus. So this is the first chapter called Indian Regulatory Framework that is there in business laws subject. So in the Indian Regulatory Framework we have different concepts, but however this is the overview what we'll be covering in detail in the coming sessions. So the first one is about the law. So we'll be just covering all the like what is the definition of the law and why law is needed for a chartered accountant student. So at a basic level, we can just term it as set of obligations and duties that are imposed by government are called as law. And we need to know the law in order to guide the client and management whenever it is required. Okay. So the next one is about the enforcement of law. So we'll be seeing what are the different sources of the law and also the process of creating a law and also the types of law. So there are different laws, different types. We'll be just seeing one after the other. Next one is various regulatory bodies. So we have different regulatory bodies that are framed in order to enforce the law. So once a law is created, it should be enforced so that it should be monitored. So that is the reason all these regulatory bodies are framed and they are just regulating or enforcing all these laws. And next one, the first one in this list is Ministry of Finance. The next one is Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Securities and Exchange Board of India, Reserve Bank of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Insolvency Bankruptcy Board of India. So we'll be just discussing what are their roles and responsibilities in detail. So the next one is about the Indian judiciary system. So Indian judiciary system, how it is established and how it is working also, we'll be just covering in this chapter. So as you all may know that we have Supreme Courts, High Courts, District Courts and the Metropolitan Courts that are already established for the purpose of serving the nation in order to provide the justice wherever it is required, right? So we'll be just discussing all these courts, what are their roles and responsibilities in detail. So this is the basic understanding or the overview of this chapter. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.